Connection lost. 썼고요. 쿠팡에 대한 이 고객 유출 때문에도 보안 테마가 강세를 좀 만들어줬습니다. 로보트 캠프는 문서 외부 반출 방지 기술 부각으로 상한가를 좀 만들어줬었고요. 카티스는 양자 센싱 마약 탐지 기술 공동 개발 착수 소식으로 상한가를 좀 만들어줬습니다. 스탁타이거님 안녕하세요. 아연님 감사합니다. 자, 그 다음 반도체 관련해서 또 올라와줬었는데요. 캠트로닉스, 그 다음 경인양행, 그 다음 코리아 서키트 종목들이 좀 올라왔습니다. 인텔이 애플칩 생산 논의를 한다라는 소식에 미국의 반도체주가 좀 강세를 만들어줬었고요. 그 다음 일본이 중국 수출 포토레지스트 통제를 강화하면서 캠트로닉스라던가 경인양행 등 국산화 수혜주들이 급등을 좀 기록했다라고 합니다. 삼성전자가 구글 HBM 물량 60% 이상을 공급했다라는 소식도 긍정적입니다.
Oh my. How's it going, everyone? How's it going, guys? Did you guys see the price action this morning? It was incredible, guys. It was incredible. I thought it was worse than Globex ASIA, I think, in my opinion. How did y'all make out this morning? Cool, Bob. What is going on, man? 44, the ex-Punisher in the house. Willie C Trades, what up? Daily Day Trades, what is going on? B Adam in the house. Ayo. Captain Price, with no fear, says hello. ¿Cómo estás? It was a it was a big swing. It was a big swing, and then it kind of really chopped for the rest of the day, right? That was a problem. Well, I don't know if that was a problem, but I kind of feel like, you know, it's we got some signals today, which was kind of pretty clear. Yeah, we had a very clear directional move today. We obviously broke out of this very important 30 minutes pivot at that 225, and we pierced through that, and we kind of held a very important key level. That's 310 area. 310 area, that was a very important area. We broke out first thing first. Obviously we broke out of that 222, right, and pierced through that, and that area started to act as a support now in that 305, right? Sorry, no, I lied. 270-ish area, and we kind of held that level, and we are kind of obviously in that area now. 400, we're in the 400 zone, and yeah, this is going to be very, very interesting coming into the Globex Asia. The Dollar Dream, what is going on, man? Mr. Who Knights, TC Expert Willie, you made $216 today. Should have made a lot more, but it was what it is. Yeah, I mean, $216 today. Today was I lost one funded account. I lost one funded account on my Apex, and I hit DLL on a few listed accounts. So equally as much. I did twice, so I think there was about 3 to 4 accounts that I hit DLL on 3 accounts on listed, and then I lost one Apex funded account. On a good side, on a good note, I made $1,500 of profits on my Top Step. So we're getting pretty close to another payout with Top Step. The only problem here is I think this is gonna be my let's take a look and see what's my payout on this. 1 2 3 5, 1 payout, second payout, third payout. This is gonna be my 4th payout, so we're getting pretty close to my 5th payout, and of course that's gonna be a little bit of a problem, because then we're gonna have a conversation about going live again, and that's a problem. So that's where we are standing. And then I also made $570 on my Take Profit Trader Pro account today, so that's, I guess that's good in a way. So I can go ahead and request the payout. That's $500, guys. You know, I made $70 yesterday on my Take Profit Trader Pro. I really did not get a chance to trade daily payout accounts, but I finally did that yesterday. I took a stab and I took $70, and I was more than happy to take $70 and walk away. And today I took another $550. I think that's what it is. I think it's $550 on my Take Profit Trader Pro. And yeah, and tonight we're gonna be requesting another payout here. That's daily payout. So there we are. And guys, November is officially over now. It's behind us, and we've done what we're supposed to do, and I've hit my target, and now we can move on to December. And December, I increased my target to, I don't know if you guys can see on my chart on the left hand side. I changed my target to I don't know what my target was. I think it's a little over $40,000 for the month of December. I was gonna leave it at 20k, but then I was like, you know what? I think it's doable to get to 40k. So I'm gonna target 40, and I'm gonna try and attack the market. Right, I've already taken, I think, $1,500 right now, and I think it's very realistic, right? Because I built a lot of buffer in a lot of my accounts. So, I mean, I think yeah, Apex easily 10k. That's definitely possible. And Top Step as well. Top Step, and what else again? Funding ticks. Oh yeah, on funding ticks I've got 3 accounts. That's the $3,000 payout cap. So if I end up building buffer on those accounts, then I have a chance of taking more payouts, right? So very doable. I think it's a very realistic number as of right now. I don't think that's a stretch by any means. We'll give our level best, right? Today's the 1st of December. Not a great start. I think this market was kind of really difficult to trade, right? I thought we are going to dump this morning, and then all of a sudden you get a big rip in the face, right? We got a big bounce in this market right after getting that pullback overnight. And I think there was a meeting. I think Nvidia Jensen came out and started talking and yapping about his chips, and then all of a sudden this market got a bounce, found a footing, and it called back and pierced through that very important pivot here at 200 area, right? And then horizontal support, horizontal resistance that we had in that 300, we pierced through that and we kind of held. So looking bullish coming into today, in my opinion. Now the thing is though, we could get a little pullback down before we get a bounce, but overall I'm still leaning more bullish in this market, right? That's what I plan to do coming into today. I'm gonna look to try to go long on a pullback. I think pullbacks are viable at this point. That's what I kind of feel like this market's gonna do. I don't know what you guys are thinking right now, but shouldn't you have the shit moved to the chat section instead? Oh, can't read it. It's too small, really? Sorry guys, man. My apologies. Didn't realize that. Oh, maybe you're using your phone? 1 second, guys. I'm gonna try and make it slightly bigger. Or maybe probably just move that to somewhere else. I don't know. Let me just try to move that here, maybe, potentially. I think this is probably better. You guys could probably see this better now, I think. And that's the best I can do for now. We will adjust as we go along. For now, we'll leave it at that, right? And that's where we are right now, guys. I hit 36K last month, and I think it kind of makes sense for me to place my target over 40K. And that's purely because obviously based on everything that's going on right now in this market, and obviously my accounts with buffer, you know, I kind of feel like I'm at a better spot than November. So I'm really looking forward to trading in November, obviously December, obviously, and I think, yeah, I could probably try to target 40K. And I hope all of you guys do really well this month, guys. This is the last trading month of the year, right? So somebody asked me, don't be too greedy, but I'm not trying to be greedy. It's just, you know, I think it's a very realistic number. That's all I'm saying. I'm not trying to push myself. I'm gonna take it slow, right? I'm gonna take it slow and go from there. You know, I've got a few days that I've got to trade on my funding ticks accounts, and that's like gonna be like $3,000 to $4,000 right there, right? So a few more days to trade on my funding ticks, and I probably end up requesting another $3,000 to $4,000. And then Top Step as well, a few more days, and I'm going to be requesting another $2,500. And then we've got Apex, probably another few more days to request $2,000 of profit on each of my accounts. And on top of that, guys, by the way, I bought the Top Step accounts. I bought the Top Step accounts with no activation, and they are looking pretty good. I purposely took a lot more profit, right? I purposely built more profit. I know that I'm gonna have to trade for a little more to pass, and I get that. But I wanted to be, I felt more comfortable trying to increase my P&L and try to see if I can get to you know, $18 to $2,000. And if I have to make a little more to kind of pass, it's totally okay with that. But I wanted to get well above the threshold, and that's where we're standing right now. I've got 3 combines. I'm gonna be, oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna have to trade those accounts to start. I can't, like, how do you request the max payout? That's what I'm trying to do, because I've got $5,000 in this account now, and so the max payout is 25, right? I think. Yeah, cannot, like, not being able to go live is a big problem, guys. I have no idea how I'm gonna be solving that problem other than just blow these accounts again. just like what happened to my Tradify. But 5k is max payout, so you need 10k. Oh, I see. Yeah, I mean, so I need 10k, but then I'm gonna be left with another $5,000 of profit on it, right? All right, by the way, guys, everybody, good luck, guys. We got 6 more minutes for this market to start. Globex Asia tonight, guys. It's gonna be very interesting. Very interesting, guys. By the way, we've got our giveaway happening here tonight, guys. 50k account, growth account, that is, with no activation. I'm gonna start it right now, guys. Resume entries. You guys can go ahead and type in !Tiger, and I've also sent instruction on our Discord as well. Pretty straightforward. Please do not forget to smash the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Once again, we've got our giveaway happening here tonight. Good luck, everybody. Wow, it was a long day. Yeah, absolutely, it was a long crazy morning day for sure, man. How's it, everyone? All right, guys, we got a few more minutes for this Globex Asia to open now. I'm gonna start the day with trading, obviously, my combine, and these are accounts with no activation, so I better pass this thing. There's no tolerance to failing any of my combines here, man. It was too expensive. It's too pricey, guys. I can't afford to lose any of my accounts today. All right, so let's try to pass all of this goddamn boys. All right, fellow traders, we got a few more minutes. Woo! We got a few more minutes for this Globex Asia, guys, and we are having a little bit of a, this is not even a descending wedge, right? I kind of feel like, you know, maybe we try to see, we had a pullback here, right? And we kind of chop, and I kind of feel like we break it down, break below the swing low, and crack underneath. Maybe we try to retest the 218, right? So probably my target would be somewhere here and here, right? Minimum. So I'm gonna try and short the pop and go from there. Right, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna have to exit my trade right up here in the 442, right? And that's the idea. So right off the bat, if we pierce through, I'm gonna try and short and exit my trade as we get into this 440 zone, right? But if you get a rejection there, I'm gonna add some more to the downside and look for a pullback down and pierce underneath that that swing low. Excuse me, guys. And then look for that extended move down into the 320s, guys. All right, guys, we got a few more minutes now. 3 more minutes, guys. Oh man. Yeah, we could chop all Globex Asia session too. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we chop. Yes, you are right. We could chop here within this range. So we also have to think about the range as well. A very, very good point. Parallel channel here. Right? This could be a parallel, right, horizontal channel. And we could be within this channel too. So I think we're gonna have to kind of be patient coming into this Globex Asia. Right, I'm gonna be using this. Where is this color? Hold on one second, guys. I do not want. All right, there we go. Right, so this is an area, of course, I'm gonna be watching this market. So that's pretty much 418 to 355. So that's what, again, that's like 70 points range. Okay, we got a 70 points range, and this is what we're gonna be kind of watching, right? Are we gonna be doing this? We could potentially do this all day. We'll keep an eye on this. Either we pierce through or we break it down. But I'm gonna be leaning more to the short side on a bounce back like that, right? And look for that to get rejection of that level and give us that nice little pullback down. If I'm wrong, I'll probably end up exiting again in that 340 area, right? All right, guys, this Globex Asia is about to open now, guys. I'm on a 500 tick chart on the right hand side, and the left hand side is a 30 minutes chart, by the way. FYI, guys.
The market is open.
The market is open now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, we are kind of holding 415. Yeah, I went short right off the back, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna panic, right? I'm not gonna panic. So I already have a hard stop now at the 450. Right now I've got 40 contracts now. So if we get a pullback here, hold on one second, guys. We get a pullback here. Well, one second. Yeah, I'm gonna have a hard stop here. 430. Sorry, no, I lied. 445. Okay, that's where my hard stop is, and I'm gonna try and add to my position on a little more of a bounce that we get here. We're right at the top of this trend line here now, right? Top end of this trend line here at 418, 420. So let's see, guys. Gonna be
order filled.
I've got 6 contracts.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so there we go, guys. I've got. I'm gonna trail my stop to 431, and I'm gonna be looking for a pullback now. Let's see, guys. Forget it. Where's my limit orders, guys? I can't place my limit orders. Oh my god, where's my limit orders, guys? I can't place any of my limit orders. What is going on here? It's weird. I can't place. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't place. I don't know why. It's weird, right? I can't place my limit orders for some reason. Using obviously the right click here, I can't. Anyways, I'm probably have to do this manually, so that's fine. It is what it is. It's okay. Not the end of the world, guys. All right, the left hand side obviously is my 30 minutes chart, and I'm gonna enlarge that. Try to kind of zoom in to kind of see a better picture where this market may end up going back into. So like I said again, we are right at the top end of this trend line here. If we pierce through that and we keep moving, then I guess we this kind of invalidates the shorting opportunity here. All right, refresh your page. Oh my god, yeah, you're right, man. I think you're right, guys. I remember doing that before. Yeah, let's try to do it again, guys. I want to see. There you go. It works. You are Superman. You are the superhero. You are the superhero. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. Muchas gracias. All right, guys. Sitting at 421 now. We're getting a little bit of a bounce back up again. $421. Incredible, guys. Incredible. Wow. God, is this market stuck or what now, guys? Reminds me of New York. I thought Globex ASIA is supposed to be much more volatile than our beautiful beautiful New York. New York was like 10 points range for about 2-3 hours, I think. I thought my chart got frozen for a couple hours in the morning. You prepare burn a candle. Oh yeah, man. This we are getting a little bit of a bullish hammer, right? But I don't know. We until we completely break out, it's I'm not still in that camp. So let's see, guys, if we get a pullback or we get a bounce. We're kind of like getting a little rejection off that 418, but again, but it was a very difficult day to trade today. I don't know why. I mean, every day seems to be very difficult to trade. There's too many fakes, right? It almost kind of felt like it's gonna be the end of the world with the market dumpage in the morning. And I don't know if you guys something noticed, but there's too much of, you know, just a little more extended move to kind of take everybody out, and then it goes back up again. In a lot of cases, right? Just a little more to take everybody out, and then it's like goes against you. So that's why this market is a little more difficult, because it's not the price action, but it's just that it's very the moves are not a traditional 60 80 points. When it moves like 200 points, right? So, and that's where that's where we kind of end up getting wrecked with our accounts. But anyways, guys, it is what it is sometimes, so far. All right, by the way, this is the first trading day of December, of course, guys. Let's have some good start, right? Kickstart the month of December strong here. Yeah, I'd like to quickly get my combines to XFA with no activation, of course. Now the problem is, man, I've got to pass these accounts without failing them, because there's zero tolerance, guys. No activation, but if I end up losing these accounts, I'm gonna have to be loading in another account, and that's gonna cost me a lot of money. A lot of money, right? What is up, man? iTrades, Bowser Trades, what is going on? Need to enter, another liquidity has been taken. Yeah, no, it's all about grabbing more liquidity, man, to give this little bit of a distribution in this market. Oh my god. Thor Trades, what up? Candle Apostle, Sir What? J Faithful Trader, what is going on, guys? What's that? D Shoot, a lot of beautiful names out here, guys. Alexa, Dave DJ in the house. J Mean, is that you, J Mean? I wonder if that is J Mean. Doesn't seem like J Mean, but Money Mitch, what is going on? Taz, Harish, Day Trade, Turbo, what is going on, guys? Put limit order where the SL is. Okay, Man, Moxie, Jen, everybody, welcome back, guys. Great to see y'all back again. Globex ASIA, I hope y'all had a great morning. Man, who the heck is J Mean? J Mean G3M, is that J Mean on our options? What do you call this, options? Oh, that's Min Max Infinity. That's J Mean. Oh my god, I'm confused now. Oh, who's the real J Mean that I know? Incredible. Copsa, what is going on, man? You're in the same situation like you. I passed the today Apex. Wow, tomorrow's expensive. I know. Everything's becoming more and more expensive, guys. Honestly, I've loaded everything that I could, And quite honestly, I've already
Order
set my
filled.
budget for December, and I've already utilized probably 60-70% of that budget. I don't intend to load in much account in December. I'll be very honest. I may end up loading in a whole bunch. Depends. Obviously, it's not related to trading. It's more so related to tax. But it depends. That would be the reason why I may end up loading in. But other than that, from just purely from a trading perspective, I don't intend to load in much accounts. I'm gonna try my level best to trade off my existing accounts and see how far I can actually go. Oh yeah, man, it's gonna be a tough month again. I kind of feel like, I don't know, you guys thinking about getting a Christmas Santa Claus rally into the year end? I think so.
Order
I think
filled.
so, unless something really drastically change in the market. Yeah, I'm not
Order
a financial
filled.
advisor for sure, but I mean that's I did not stream. No, I did not stream. Oh my god, guys, we are getting a pullback, and that's exactly what we were kind of thinking about, right? What a nice, beautiful trade, guys. If you guys actually ended up catching that move, congrats once again if you guys did. If not, then hey,
Order filled.
we have another the market is going to present with more opportunities, so do not be too disappointed. That move was pretty nice, guys. I'm going to trail my stop here. I'm going to have to trade my combines like the way I trade my funded accounts, because these are freaking pricey, guys, man. You're paying $93, man, including tax. Holy mochaccino. It's unreal. I paid 92 or something like that. The only problem with me right now, it's something that I've been thinking about for quite a while now, but I'm gonna really have to think about how I am going to be managing my accounts in 2026, right? If I want to take this to another level, I'm gonna have to think about either copy trading some of my accounts, which I'm really not comfortable doing that, but I'm really gonna have to think about it, right? And I'm gonna have to scale up on loading in accounts, and lots of adjustments I'm gonna have to make to take myself to another level in my trading journey, right? You guys know we have already hit over 200 and somewhat dollars, a little over, I think 240k for the 2025 year. This year we've hit over 250k. I think I'm not, like, I've got to do the math again, but we're getting pretty close to that, I think, or maybe even more. I'm not sure. When you compare that to last year, man, last year was like 90k, so it's like, it's like 3-4 times more than last year, so that's pretty significant.
Order filled.
Now if I want to be targeting like 400k, I don't think I can manage that by trading all my accounts on its own. Not possible. Not possible. Yeah, so it's yeah, we got some brainstorming here to do, and of course I do not want to stick to the same number as I did this year, right? We all want to grow as a day traders, as a PROPFIRM traders. We all want to grow every day, every month, every year, and that's what exactly plan to do for the year 2026. Yeah, I still think we get a nice well, not a nice, but I mean, I still think we get a Santa Claus rally, in my opinion. I honestly, things can change pretty quickly here, right? You guys seen that this market, we had a lot of surprises in this market, and that's where you see this market moving 1200 points, 800 points back up again. So a lot of surprises that we got this in this market, and that kind of moved this market up and down in a very violent way. And but if we don't get any big surprises coming into the next few weeks, I think maybe I'm still kind of leaning more to a rally back up again towards the end of the year. I'm in that Tom Lee camp for now. Oh my god, I'm in that Tom Lee camp. Oh well. So overall in this market, guys, I'm still bullish. Right, I'm still bullish. Right. I'm still bullish, but like I said again, we got a little bit of a bear flag here coming into this morning. Into the Globex Asia, right? We will stay within this channel, the horizontal support and resistance. Now, you guys obviously see that little box there, the blue lines. And this is the channel range, okay? This is a horizontal, we call it horizontal range. A resistance up here and support right down there. And we got a bear flag, right? We got a big push down right at the top to the bottom here at 360. And we got a little bit of a wedge, right? Wedge. And then we broke it down. So this is usually bearish when you have a big push down like that, and the market's not like, usually when it's bullish, we would see something like, we would pierce through that very quickly and create another bullish, obviously that trend line, right, and curl back up again. But if you take a look at this, we got a big push down, and then it kind of struggled to get above, right? And then we're still in that this wedge. That's a bearish, obviously a bear flag, right? And then we pierce through that angle there, and we're down into the 380, right? And I wanted to eat this big chunk of this move down, and so I took a stab here right at the top, right? You guys know I drew that channel there, and I said, okay, well, the channel resistance is right up here. So if you try to pierce through that and we try to gap to the up, I'm gonna try and short on a pop and look for a pullback into the bottom end of this horizontal support, 360. Anyways, guys. Yeah, and I wouldn't mind if they chop, that's fine. I can leave it that. Going long tiger all in? I don't know, I don't have the gold here with me right now. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce back. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trading my stop here. I'm gonna be taking one more off the table. I'm gonna be down to 4 now. I'm gonna be down to 4. Let's see, guys. We'll keep trading. We'll keep obviously rotating my accounts here. Yeah, we are getting a little bit of a bounce back up again, and I got my stop here at 400, guys. The VWAP here at 401.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm down to 4 contracts now, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be, oh, man, I don't know. Yeah, we got a nice little push down, so I may have to be happy with that move and just maybe move on to something else here. Yeah, I can't afford to lose any of my combines, right? These are not cheapo 49. Well, it's not even 49, it's like $50 including GST. Well, not GST, including tax, I guess, right? So these are $94, man. Like, I don't even know why the heck you have to pay for these tax. You know what I mean? Like, what is it called? The sales tax? Whatever it's called. Like, it's so frustrating. That's why I don't want to be too aggressive loading in with Top Step, right? I just don't like with everything they try to do with you know, things are not cheap. But at the same time, you guys know they've been paying me pretty nicely, so I don't want to be too, like, you know, if they're the ones paying you, so you gotta have to stick to that challenge. What is going on? Yeah, trades, what up, man? Trading Triangle, what is going on, brother? Great to see y'all back again. Scalp Millions, what up? Tiger, Kelly Kaufman, yo, bro, what is up, man? Bear Trap, Sean Hazel, Yeah, I mean, this could be a little bit of a bear flag. Yeah, I can see that, maybe. Oh shoot, I moved the channel range. So we hit the low here at 380. That's the Globex Asia low, and I'm kind of looking for a little more pullback down if I can. Thank you guys. Thank you all of you for supporting the stream. Thank you guys for smashing the like as well. And by the way, type in exclamation tiger, obviously to give yourself a chance to participate on our Tradify 50k account giveaway here tonight, guys, during the stream. And do not miss out. To give yourself a chance. It's free, it doesn't cost you, so why not? Oh, and by the way, PDS, they have extended their Black Friday offer. It's still called I don't know what it's called, man. I don't even know what to tell you anymore. I think it's, what is it called again? 90% off and 1 day to pass. And that's their, well, it's not really called anything. It's just their extended 24 hours. And that's what it is. But they removed the 25k, so there's no 25k anymore. It's only the 50ks, and those are $16. So that's a pretty good deal. PDS, $16, and I think for the 50ks, the activation is about 135. Or I guess we are getting a little bounce back up again. So I'm gonna have to flatten this trade right here. I will flatten this trade right here, guys, and then all right, it's it triggered my my stop, and we are getting a bounce, guys. I may try to long this bad boy right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. Let's try to target back up again. It looks like pretty nice bounce that we are getting off that 380, guys. My stop here gotta be at 396. Yeah, I went a little soft here on this trade because I wasn't sure if this is gonna be a bounce right off the bat. So all right, we are getting a little bounce. I'm gonna place my, well, not sure. Like it looks bullish, but then all of a sudden, you know, there's too many fakes right now in this market, so it's, even during Globex Asia, it's kind of hard. All right, fellow traders, I'm long with 6 contracts. Let's see if we get a bounce back into the 415 area. I'm gonna try and scale in my SL, try to put it at break even here. All right, so there we are, guys. I placed my stop at the break even, and I'm gonna be looking for a little bounce back up again. I'm gonna do that right now, guys. I'm gonna add some more.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've added some more, and I'm gonna place my stop at 400, guys. Let's see if we get a little bounce back. Retest the swing high here at 420. Oh my God, look at that mochaccino bounce, man. It's unreal.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my goody. And that's a nice little
Order
bounce you
filled.
got there, guys. Zen 25, is it worth it to reset Lucid Pro? For 150k, it's 225. 225. If it's cheaper than obviously buying the new account, then maybe it's kind of worth it. It depends on how depends if you are trading 150s mostly. Let's go Bulls. No playing here, guys. Let's try to make some good trades, guys. I'm stoked. I want to make some good trades, but I'm very hopeful that this market is going to present with a lot of opportunities here today, and I want to do it right. I want to do well. So let's get it, guys. All right, we are getting a little bounce back, right? So we're not really necessarily getting any kind of a pullback here, so I do kind of expect to retest the 420 area before we start to get some maybe a little rejection off that top end of that horizontal resistance, right? That's the major level of resistance here. So if you pierce through that, then obviously we are gonna keep moving here to the upside, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna take some profits off the table right now, guys.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna be
Order
down to
filled.
7 contracts now, placing my stop at the break even, right? Break even. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take one more off
Order
the table
filled.
to kind of protect myself. If I can make about $700 on this trade, give or take, then I think we are looking pretty good for another. Yeah, I'm not gonna be looking for 2 days to pass, guys. That's not my goal with these combines. Especially you're paying a full pop, full price, full price.
Order filled.
When you're paying full price on this evals with no activation, guys, man, it's hard to try to pass in a day or two. I think the more you try to pass in a day or two, I think that's when you kind of like end up losing these accounts, right? So, yeah. So for me, I'm just gonna take it a little slow because I do not want to lose these accounts and end up paying for obviously the reset. I don't know about the reset. I don't know how much the reset's gonna be, but I think it could be pricey, right? We're paying about $94 including tax, so it's not cheap, right? So let's try to pass all of these accounts in one go without having to reload any of accounts. Hopefully I can get back into the 4 funded accounts with Top Step and see where it goes. Yeah, if I can get to 4 or 5, well, at least 4 accounts with Top Step, I think that's definitely a pretty good number. That's gonna put me in a really good spot to try to get more payouts. All right, guys, we are back down here. Man.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I've got 3 contracts. Probably end up getting stopped out. I'm not gonna move my stop now. I'm just gonna leave it there. Just gonna leave it there, yeah, for sure. Light work. Talk sick. What is going on, brother? Going short, top of the range. Kelly Kaufman, let's get it. Yeah, I mean, oh, Tama Godik. Tamagotchi, first time to the channel. Great so far. Thank you, brother. Thanks for being here. Obviously, very thankful, guys. Anybody new here in this channel, thank you guys for being here. It's my honor to be streaming live in front of my fellow traders, guys. You guys know how much I appreciate you guys being here every day with us. By the way, I go live every day during Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and I also go live during New York as well, twice a week minimum, right? At about 10:30 to 11 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. So do not forget to hit that notification bell as well, guys, if you guys want to get notified every time I go live in the morning too. Yeah, the morning sessions are pretty rough because it's yeah, I'm busy talking, I'm busy trading, and you guys know I trade a lot of accounts in the morning, man. I'm like all over the place, right? Yeah, I trade a lot of accounts in the morning. Yeah, lots of accounts, lots of sniping, micro scalping, if you will, right? Using my 200 tick chart. Yeah, I've been honestly having a lot of fun trading with the tick chart. Yeah, I've been having a lot of fun. I'm not gonna lie, I've been having a lot of fun with it, and I've been really micromanaging the scalps, and in and out, and a lot of my trades are like, you know, 1 minute, 2 minutes at most. A lot of my trades in the mornings usually, unless I'm trading overnight. That's a little different conversation, but I also do overnight trades too. You know, like, you know, I hold on to 1 mini contract, you know, say 7 micro contracts, and if I'm up, I take 2 or 3 off the table and swing it overnight. Willie C trades. You're a sniper. You're a bad poo-poo, man. Oh, man. So mean. Willie C trades. Are you trading minis or micros with your micro scalping on the tick chart? I trade both. I trade mini and I trade micros. I trade both. I've been trading both back and forth. You guys see me trade during New York, right? So I go back and forth. I trade micros, you know, maybe half the time, and I trade mini contracts half the time as well. I've been lately I've been trading more micros in the mornings, micro scalping my trades. Yeah, but I do both. Yeah, and if it's 150k account, then obviously it's gonna be a lot more to the mini side. All right, so here we go, guys. We are getting a little bounce back up again. Retest the high here at 422. Guys, my voice is a little off here. My apologies, and all right, what a fun morning, what a fun so far. Globex Asia, we're 2 for 2 here. Yeah, I mean, there's always so much you can kind of expect from this Globex Asia, right? So somebody asked me how much do you make, like what's the contribution of Globex Asia on my payouts. I think it's probably about 20%. I think 20%, right? 20%. So let's say if I took $36,000 for the month of November, which obviously is the fact. I mean, out of the 36k, say 20% actually came from Asia. Put it that way. Which isn't, I think, too bad. It used to be a lot more before, but of course that's because I had less payouts, right? But now that we've got a lot more payouts coming every month, the proportion obviously becomes much smaller. You try tick charts. I prefer the 15 seconds. Oh my god, yeah, the 15 seconds tick chart. 15 seconds chart. Yeah, I tried that too, but I don't know, man. It's just not. Yeah, I find it tough. I don't know why. So yeah, I mean, just keep trying different things. You know what I mean? Just because I said 200 tick chart is actually looking pretty good, that doesn't mean that it fits everybody's trading style, right? I tried 30 seconds, I tried 60 seconds, I tried 40 seconds, I tried 500 tick chart, 200, and I kind of feel like, you know, 200 to 500 tick is where my sweet spot is, especially when you are trying to micro scalp. I kind of fit better in that range, and so far it's been proven successful, at least for me. So it's gotta, I mean, that doesn't mean that that's how it's gonna be you know, throughout the rest of the year next year, right? Things can change, right? Maybe I can come back next month and kind of go, okay, well, I'm starting to not do okay with 200 tick charts anymore, so I'm gonna have to move back to my traditional 3 minutes chart. You guys know I used to trade the 3 minutes chart, whether it's Globex Asia or New York, doesn't really matter. But I used to trade the 3 minutes chart. But we'll just, you know, we'll just go back and forth. Depends on how I do, right? So those adjustments will have to come, whether you like it or not. Just because you've been doing well and sticking to the 200 tick chart, that doesn't mean that you just keep doing the same thing over and over again if it's not working next month, for example. What is going on, everybody? Okay, so this market's kind of chopping here, guys. This market is kind of chopping here. Trying to break out of this very important 421. We just can't do that. I may just
Order
exit this
filled.
trade here.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. I'm gonna be looking to I don't know, man. Should I try to short this bad boy right now? I could try to short this, but I kind of feel like we're still a little more to the upside. I think the upside isn't over yet, so I think we're gonna pierce through this 420 and try to see ourselves back into maybe I don't know, man. I think this market is trying to get a little bit of a bounce here, so let's just do a little bit of a trend line here, right? I'm gonna do a little bit of a trend line here. Right, so the trend line here. Right, so you have a little bit of a trend line. And so you have as well, the next level of resistance is gonna be up in that 433. And then the support is right at the 415, right? Obviously, you have this nice little fair value gaps right underneath that 413, which will obviously take you all the way back down into the 380s if we get a rejection of that level. So let's try to use this range as to kind of gauge where this market's going to go. So if you get a rejection of this area, obviously we're going to get a pullback. I am going to get rid of this range box that I had. Okay, so there we are, guys. We are trying to hold this 413. I think we get a bounce off that level. I think we get it back into the 430s. And then if that holds, then I think we see ourselves back into obviously 450. All right, so those are the levels I'm kind of watching right now. All right, so we are getting a nice little pop here. So guys, I'm gonna try and hold this. Well, not hold this, I don't have an open position, but I'm gonna try and long here. Let's see, I'm gonna try and long here, maybe try to go long on a pullback into the VWAP maybe. All right, who is Jerome? Jerome Tiger. Jerome Tiger in the house. Fibonacci father. My God, we've got a Fibonacci trader. Yeah, I like Fibonacci too myself. Yeah, I like Fibonacci too. Yeah, I like Fibonacci. I'm not gonna lie. I like Fibonacci. You know, yeah, Fibonacci is really good because it kind of fits my style too. I used to be a little bit of a Fibonacci trader, but you have the fit pivots on my chart. Nice, 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 nice. All right, fellow traders, back into the trading. All right, so we are trying to hold, but yeah, it's gonna be I don't know for how long we're gonna be. So we got a rejection off that level, and we've obviously you guys see that. So we're gonna have to kind of get a hold, we have to hold this level now, right? This level here, and then so we got a rejection off that 422, and we got a nice little support from that 409. Yeah, 409. Yes, so okay. So let's see, guys. Are we gonna just swing here back down? I'm gonna look to long on a pullback into the 410s, and look to right the long and try to retest the high at 433. I kind of missed that move, so I'm gonna have to kind of be a little patient here in this trade. By the way, guys, we got our giveaway here happening tonight. Trade 5 50K account. Do not forget to type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our giveaway. Do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And I thank you guys for being here as well. To my fellow traders who are new here as well, thank you so mucho gracias, everybody. I hope you all having a great time, having a beautiful mochaccino as well. Yeah, I don't have coffee in front of me because I had 3 this morning, and yeah, that's enough for today. Too much coffee, no good. No pasa nada. All right. Joe Crypto, everybody. Love you guys, man. Great to see you all back again. You know, it's a lot of fun, you know, trying to hang out with my fellow traders. It's a lot of fun, guys. More than trading, so. Like, I mean, trading is fun too. I love trading, right? It's just part of my DNA. It's part of my DNA, guys, trading. Even though when I lost a lot of money many years ago, I kept trading, and I just could not give up trading. And that's why I came this far, because I love trading. Right? I love trading. You gotta be passionate day trader, guys. You gotta have the passion, you gotta have the love, you know, like you gotta love everything about trading. If trading is giving you stress, it's a problem, guys. It's a problem, you know. I mean, I get mad, right? You guys know I throw my phone against the wall sometimes because I get mad, but you know what? We're humans, you know, we're gonna do that time to time, and that's totally okay. Totally okay, I think. Do you think it's addictive? Hey, you know what? It's okay if I don't know. It depends on how you kind of perceive, right? It really depends on how you kind of perceive. People can call me I'm addicted because I trade all day, but really, is it really addictive? I don't know, man. I don't think so. I don't think it's addictive. It's not casino, man. In casino, you lose money right off the bat. Like, you know, getting into casino, you are going to lose, right? How many times you go into casino, Las Vegas? Obviously, I go there some time, but how much you there's your chance of winning probably about 5%. Trading is different. Trading, you make money, you know. If it truly makes you happy, right? If it makes you happy and you love what you do, and on top of that you're making money, like, I think you know, it's like, it's great. You know, it's much better than working and getting stuck in one location, because trading, you can literally trade anywhere you want, right? You can trade in Hawaii, you can trade in Alaska, you can trade in a plane. You can trade in the washroom, which I obviously do a lot of times. Oh man, yeah, that's a great place to kind of trade. Ooh, baby. Super BD guide, you lose money, but hey, no, that's a look. If this is your first year and you're losing money, but you cannot stop doing it, it's okay. But if you've been trading for like 5 years now and you keep losing money, and you keep doing the same thing over and over again, that's a problem, right? And that's a problem, right? And that's a problem. Yeah, I think that's a problem. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here. We got a rejection off that 420 area. That looks like a double top there for me, unless we try to pierce through that again, right? This could be a double top there. I don't know. Looks like this market wants to give us a little pullback here. Oh. Yeah, hold on one second. What am I doing here? So what is this drawing? And this drawing is all messed up, guys. I don't even know why this drawing is here. It's weird. Anyways, guys, I think here I'm gonna draw it again. Yeah, there we go. That's probably the nice one. So we hit that ceiling there and we kind of got a rejection, right? So think about it. Oh my god. Right, we hit that, you know, we hit that twice and we hit that third. We just couldn't get above this level, guys. We just couldn't do that, right? And hit another one here and we hit another one here. So we hit it like 5 times, guys. So are we gonna really try to pierce through this level now? And that's a I don't know, that's a $1 million question. We gotta pierce through that first before we try to break out. We are still above the VWAP, but it looks like we are trying to break it down, guys. Let's try to short this bad boy right now. Oh baby, let's try to short this, man. I'm gonna try and short this while I'm on the wrong account. I'm on the wrong account, so we are pretty well, it's not even oversold. We're sitting at 52 RSI, so kind of feel like, you know, we got some more ways to go. Yeah, we are right at the VWAP here on a 30-minute chart on a longer time frame. We broke underneath a major level of support, so
Order filled. Order filled.
all right, guys, I'm going to be looking for a pullback now. Let's see, guys, if we get it. Yeah, we got a rejection of that 425. We got another one here at 414, and we are kind of retesting the VWAP. I'm leaning more to the downside right here at this moment. I'm kind of leaning more to the downside.
Order filled. Order
All right, guys,
filled.
I'm gonna put a tighter stop though, just in case. I'll put a stop here. I'm gonna be risking $200 to place my stop at 421. Oh, by the way, guys, we got Tokyo in about 15 more minutes, right? Tokyo. We've got Tokyo, guys. What's your position in pair alpha tickers? What is alpha ticker you talking? Oh, you're talking to somebody else. Okay. Japanese. Tokyo is gonna move the market. Oh my god, look at that bounce, man. Bounce off the VWAP. Wow, congrats, StockTiger. Oh my. Are we gonna pierce through this? We could, yeah, it depends. I don't wanna lose any more than this, to be honest, man. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll try to place my stop here. Yeah, I'll place my stop here 440. Yeah. Yeah. So far, yeah, I'm obviously grateful. So we'll try to see. Yeah, we still have like 20. Now we have full month to trade because today is the first day, right? First day to trade. We got a full trading month, guys, in front of us. Wow. Wow. We had a long November, I think. I had a long October and November both. I'll be honest. It was a long freaking time. Yeah, I'm kind of a little exhausted. I mean, obviously, I'm still a human, right? So I get, yeah, I definitely did trade a lot in the month of November and December both, and I kind of feel like I kept running throughout this process to get more payouts, and then during that process, obviously, I got smacked in the face as well, and kind of got injured, and you know, this and that. But eventually I found a way to get some decent payouts, right? And now we're in December. I'm kind of a little exhausted, I'll be honest, but I think I just need a little bit of rest. And I guess this is the first week of the month, and yeah, a few days of rest, and I think I could probably come back here refreshed. We'll have a good month, guys. Good month. Yeah, my target's not changed. I told you guys, man, 41k for the month of December. Let's get it, guys. We got a lot of payouts to make here, but I'm getting pretty close. So I kind of like what I see so far. I'm getting pretty close. I'm pretty close, meaning I kind of feel like, you know, I've got what it takes, you know, from all the account perspective, you know, with the accounts with the buffer. You know, I'm gonna be with more Top Step funded accounts too, and more Take Profit Trader accounts with funded accounts, of course, with more buffer on it too, so I can actually get those daily payouts. Right, I just hit another $550 today, right, this morning, so that's gonna be my daily payout again. So we had a daily payout yesterday with $75. That was a huge payout. Oh man. And then today we hit another $560. You know, $560, man, this morning with Take Profit Trader Pro account, and I will be requesting that tonight, guys, in front of my fellow traders. We may do another one, guys. We may do a cash giveaway here, just purely because we also had a few traders on our Discord, by the way, who actually got a daily payout. Yeah, who no, sorry, not daily payout. Who actually got their first ever payout. We had a few who did that, so I'm very proud, right? I'm very proud of our fellow traders, you know, getting those daily why do I keep saying daily payouts here? You know, getting their first ever payout, guys. Adam B also took his second payout, right? Second payout ever. So we got a lot of fresh new traders taking first ever payouts, and I wanted to take this moment to congrats to all of you, right? If that is this is your second payout, if it's your third payout, then these are moments to kind of like celebrate. And by the way, guys, once our giveaway is done on the first one, that's the 3550k. And if I'm able to request a payout on my Take Profit Trader on a daily payout that I got, I will do another cash giveaway today before we end the stream. And of course, that's in celebration. Obviously, not just my payout, but also in celebration with our fellow traders taking their first and the second ever payout. And congrats to everybody. What is your pass rate for evaluation? My pass rate, it depends. It depends on what firm are you trading, right? It depends. My pass rate with Take Profit Trader, my Take Profit Trader and Top Step, it's much higher. I think it's about 75 to 80% on an average, right? On an average. Sometimes I pass all. Sometimes, you know, I get down to 50%. Sometimes I'm up 80%, right? So it depends, but I think give or take on an average about 80%. And that's on the it depends on the firms, right? If you ask me Bulanox, you know, I'll be maybe about 50%. If you ask me Apex, I may be at 35%, 40%, you know. Sorry guys, just had to go to the washroom. Oh, by the way guys, my Discord link, I'll share it again. Here we go guys, my Discord link is right there. All right, so this market trying to get a bounce. So far it's not really truly as bullish, right? We just cannot get above this very important key, and that's 425. We just couldn't get above that. So I think we could end up just chopping here, to be honest, for all you know. But let's give it a shot here. I'm looking to short this market, looking for that pullback into, I would say, 395 at least, before we try to get a balance. I'm not sure why it's giving an error on Discord. I'm not sure, brother. I have absolutely no idea what is up with that. Yeah, so PDS extended, I think they're 90% off, ends today. And also Legend extended their promo as well. So you're still paying $127 on their 150k account, which is a super duper crazy Black Friday offer that we have here. So that's great. FYI. And everybody else still remain the same. Obviously the top step hasn't changed. Obviously they're gonna be that price is not sale. That's what top step is saying. So probably thinking that price is gonna be there throughout the entire process, I guess, towards the end of the year. So yeah, but it's a little bit pricey, right? It's a little bit pricey. 94 bucks, man. It's a little bit too mucho for StockTiger, right? So
Order filled.
all right guys, we're getting a pullback here. I'm gonna move my stock to break even now at this point, and looking for that pullback into the 390s. And let's say from there, I'm gonna look for that extended move down. Let's see if we get it, guys. Let's see, everybody. Yeah, I've got my stop here at the break even. Well, maybe I could be a little kind and try to, you know, give some room here, right? Let's try to give this trade a little room. Yeah, I'll be a little soft and kind here. My stop here at the 414. Tokyo, oh my mucho, guys, man. Tokyo opens in about 3 minutes. Thank you so much, man. 44x Punisher. What prop is the best to use the minimum days trading for payouts? Minimum days to trade? That's a tough one, because what's the minimum day for daily payouts? For daily payouts, you got funded next, right? You got funded next on the Rapid account. I think funded next is probably V1, and then you have Take Profit Trader, and you have Trade Day. But Trade Day and Top Take Profit Trader, you have to trade for 5 days, I think. Yeah, funded next on a Rapid account, I think it's 1 day to pass, if I'm not wrong. Reset TPT Pro account for daily payouts. Yeah, I don't reset any funded accounts, by the way. I have certain rules, and I really stuck to that rule, and I did not adjust that rule the whole year. And that's resetting funded accounts. I never do that. Resetting funded accounts. Yeah, I don't care if it's gonna take me another 5 to 7 days to pass an eval. It doesn't really truly matter to me, you know. I am not I'm just not interested in resetting any funded accounts. If it gets cheaper and if the math is right, then yeah, maybe look into it. But for now, it just doesn't make sense, right? And this is how I kind of manage my you know, my cost here, right? You got to think about the cost too. Yeah. Yeah, resetting one funded account on your Take Profit Trader costs you $649 on a 50K. And Take Profit, sorry, Top Step also costs you about $400. So that's a little bit too pricey for StockTiger. To my standards, for sure. Yeah, Monica, man, their dashboard is definitely dead. God, man, this funding takes is trust me, man, they're pissing me off, to be honest. Yeah. Tradify funded account is the best deal. How much are we paying for Tradify's funded account? I just completely forgot about that. Yeah, I think they're pretty good. I just don't know how much that is. Diabol. Yeah, be Adam. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm not like, you know what? You could easily end up paying like $5,000 to maybe $10,000 just on resetting funded accounts by the time it's said and done, because you're not just gonna reset one account, right? You probably end up resetting like 4 or 5, and that's a problem. And Top Step is $500, man. That's crazy, right? Yeah, I mean, these guys are too pricey to reset. Yeah, I'm definitely not interested in that for sure. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Thank you so much for this nice little pullback here. We've got Tokyo. Oh my God, Tokyo is open, guys. By the way, Tiger, which account is easiest? By the way, guys, if I have not responded to your questions, please type it again. Right? I'm sorry, but please type it again because I can't see this chat moving a lot faster than I can read. So bear with me, guys, and thank you so much for being patient. And guys, I'm down to 4 contracts. Now kind of makes sense to place my stop at the break even.
Order filled.
And we are getting a pullback here. Nasty little dumb. Good trade so far, guys, man. It's been good. Yeah, Dan Ammons per dia is a little bit too pricey. I took a look at their price, but I don't know, man. For me, you know, it's really right at the start, right at the bat. If I kind of see this price being too expensive versus the market, I just kind of ignore that firm. So I think pricing is definitely very important for me personally. All right, guys, we are getting a nice little pop here.
Order
I'm gonna exit that
filled.
trade. We got a nice little wick there, right in that 384. We kind of got a nice little bounce. Let's see if we end up holding this now, right? Unlimited payouts. I mean, unlimited payouts, but to a certain point, and then they move you to live. But the thing is, unlimited payouts, you know, I don't know. I'm not like, I'm okay with the $3,000 payout cap. You guys know what's the most I've actually taken a payout in the last few months? The most in a single withdrawal, probably about 3,500 maybe. Yeah, 35. And yet we ended up getting over what again? $36,000 for the month of November, guys. Right? So you don't have to try to be a hero, right? You can still take on an average in a given month over $30,000 by taking every withdrawals, right? Even if it's $1,000, all of these adds up. Think about it, guys. Funding ticks alone, right, on a $1,000 payout caps, and if you got like 4 accounts with them, you're gonna be making quite a lot, right? You're gonna be making quite a lot. All right, I got into trade with the. No, I exited that trade. So, all right, so I'm out of that trade. Let's try to trade my Take Profit Trader eval account using micro. I'm gonna kind of lower my sound. How many accounts do you have to make 35? You don't really have to have a lot, right? Like I said again, if you have 5 accounts with funding ticks, and let's say if you take $1,000 on those 5 accounts once a week, do the math. It's $5,000 across the 4 accounts, and if you've got 4 weeks, so that's times 4, 5,000. That's $20,000, right? You know, just with funding ticks alone. Just with funding ticks alone. So if you do the math, it's pretty straightforward. It's not complicated. It's just that we kind of feel like, you know, we need lots of accounts to kind of get it up there. Not really. Not really. Some people take million years to get to a payout with over 200 accounts, 200 funded accounts across many firms. But they're gonna take it very slow. You know, they're gonna copy trade all their accounts and be happy with like $40 on a single day, because if you multiply times how many accounts he's got, that's gonna be a lot of money right at the end. At the end, it's the same thing. And that's yeah. Funding Things is fine. Funded Next is, I think, a pretty good firm. Really good firm. I like them. I got 2 payouts with them, and that's last month was my first month to trade, first ever month to trade Funded Next, and I got 2 payouts with them so far, and I've got 2 funded accounts with them now, and but unfortunately I've only got so much drawdown, so I haven't been trading that account because I took a withdrawal, because you could still get you could still take the money out even below buffer. So I took the whole chunk out, and I've only got like $300 drawdown now on that account. So Sniper, what up, man? Thanks, sounds good. I keep blowing up in this damn Asian session. Yeah, if you keep blowing up during the Asian session, and if you don't do as much blow up during New York, then you gotta really have to scale down, right? Trading the Globex Asia, you gotta get into habit of trading Globex Asia with something else, and not with accounts that really matters, right? It's very important. How much you got to make to get $1,000? You just have you just have to get to $52,000, and then you can request $1,000 and you'll be down to 51k, right? And that's also below buffer at the end when you take the money out. Which account can you take the buffer on? Funded Next. I think on what do you call this, on a Rapid account, and then also not Legacy. Yeah, it's the Rapid account. Tiger, what is your total spend for the month? For the month? Which month? The month? We're in December, guys. I didn't spend any money this month. Ooh, I'm safe, guys. I did not spend any money this month. Oh my God, Sniper, I'm so sorry, man. Yeah, man, I'm so sorry, brother. I know what you mean. You know, when in the past when I used to watch people, the guy goes, yeah, I think it's a really good spot. I'm very bullish today. And all of a sudden you see me with 10 mini contracts. But that's a while ago, though, a long time ago, when I was a kind of pretty bad at trading the futures. I did that. I hope that's not the case, though, Sniper. November spent. In November spent, I think I spent about 6,000, maybe I think more, because in the last few days, I spent another, I think I spent another $1,500 across TopStep, Lucid, not $1,500 for the Legend as well. So yeah, $1,500. So I think that probably puts me at $7,500 in total of total spend for the month of November. And that's obviously because I've taken the money that I was supposed to be spending in December, I've used it for November, right? Because of Black Friday offers that we had. So we'll see. I haven't done the math yet, but I think I'm pretty close to 5 to 7k, I would say. Yeah, maybe less, I'm not sure, but I think I'm pretty close to 5. Yeah, 5 is probably a base case. What did I net? I netted about 30k, guys. You guys see I took $36,000 for the month of November, right? So my net is about 30k. I'll Take Profit Trader updated their dashboard. Okay, 1 second, guys. 1 second. I'm gonna have to request the payout now. Oh man, we got 2 party going, guys. Guys, do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you so much for smashing that. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce or what now, guys? I'm just not sure what this market's trying to do. Are we just gonna chop here? Globex Asia. Gold on the cliff, really? Let's take a look at the gold, guys. I love gold. You guys know that. Oh baby, I love gold, mucho. Well, this is not a flush, man. What are you talking about, brother? A small little, dead cat, a pullback here. That's all we kind of getting. All right, guys, this market above the VWAP now, guys. I love gold. I love gold. Yeah, just kidding. I hate gold. Yeah. Yeah. I hate gold. Oh my god, I hate gold so much. You guys have no idea. The more I start thinking about gold, it just drives me nuts. Crazy. I get like a lot of things coming to my mind every time I look at the gold. Oh, by the way, guys, man, I completely forgot what was the purpose of me going into the Take Profit Trader dashboard. I went to the Take Profit Trader dashboard to request the payout. $542 in hala. All right, guys, 1 second, guys. 542. I'm gonna take a look everything out of this pocket, guys. Send a request now. 542 is what I can request. But the split is horrible, man. Split is 20%, man. I hate that. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money they're taking out. I hate that. All right, guys, here we go. My payout is incoming now. All right, so while this market is trying to figure out what it really truly wants to do, let's quickly take a look and see what we have here. Let's take a look at the payout, guys. I requested 542, and after split is 400 and somewhat dollars, and I hate that, but it is what it is. I've taken, this is my third payout for the month of December, and we only 1 day passed. 1 day passed. I got a payout approved for funding ticks in the morning, and this is my second piece of a payout that we got. So what a beautiful way to start the month of November. Month of December, guys. I like that. Let's take a look at my other fellow traders. How are they doing? Oh my god, we've got Dan Emmons getting a nice beautiful payout here, right? Oh my god, are you serious? That's $3,000 a payout through funding. No, this is through a Perdia. All right, that's 3,000 bucks, man. Dan Emmons getting $3,000 off that Perdia firm. So there we go, man. And that's a lot of profits. Congrats. Trading days 11 days, man. Holy mochaccino, you have to trade for 11 days. But that's good though. Good stuff, Dan Emmons. Congrats once again for sharing that payout. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We've got Scalper taking another payout from Lucid Trader again. Oh my god, $1,500. It keeps coming with Lucid Trader account. And we got Annabella taking another $9,000, guys. She's already taken $150,000. Holy mochaccino, man. a new Lamborghini in the house coming up pretty soon here by Annabella. So we would like to see the picture of your new Lamborghini, Annabella, if you don't mind. But this is such a beautiful P&L here. This first amount is $151,000 with $9,000 requested today. That's incredible. Annabella, congrats once again. Awesome, awesome. Great to see y'all do really well here, guys, man. Look at this ROA trades through Top Step. And that's a little less than $3,000 after split. Looking pretty good. The funding's approved. The money's out of this bank account. Not the bank account. Money's out of the account. That's awesome, awesome. Great job here, ROA Trades. Congrats, man. Congrats. We've got Andy taking money out of this crypto war box. And how much was that? Oh my god, $724. Nice, man. Good stuff, man. I may think about trading that. I'm not sure. I haven't thought about it, to be honest. That's it. Looks pretty good, man. Congrats once again, everybody. Good stuff, man. You guys are killing it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, so this market's oh my god, we got somebody just posted something right now, guys. We got to take a look at this. Very important, guys. We got Mr. MRC Trades. $3,700. $3,700 requested today on the first day, guys. It doesn't get any better than requesting a payout and getting approved on the first day of the month. MRC Trades feeling really well right now. $3,700 on the first day of December. Congrats once again. Well deserved, man. Well deserved, man. MRC Trades a really good trader too. Taking a lot of payouts through Top Step. And I think MRC Trader also takes from Biolonox as well. But good stuff, man. Look at this. This is a huge payout across all the whole throughout the entire year. Lots of payouts right there. 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. Man, you took the max payout on the Top Step accounts, man. Killed it. Congrats. All right, so back into our trading now. KT4, what is going on? What up? Kevin Miles. Kevin Miles, are you the one who won the giveaway last night? Are you the one? If you are, by the way, guys, anybody the winner of the giveaway listed last night, can you please DM me? I'm still waiting for you to DM me. That's still good even for 11 days. Yeah, definitely, man. Even if it's a 20 days, that's still very good. How many payouts of funding takes before you? I think Symphony, I think you have to get to. All right, one second, guys. This market is really choppy, right? In this very tight range. I mean, this kind of feels like it's equally as bad as what we had this morning. This morning was just ugly, right? Ugly, absolutely ugly. All right, so here we are, guys. I'm gonna try and I don't know. I'm gonna try and short the pop here, guys. That's what I'm gonna try and do.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So guys, I'm gonna try and short the pop here. Let's see. Short the pop here. That's what I'm gonna try and do. Alpha tickers, 150 giveaway. If he does not claim it, exchange me apprentice with 44 Punisher. You never give up, bro. I like your spirit, you know. Never give up, spirit. I love that. I love that. It's kind of annoying a little bit, but it's I like it. I like it. The original gangster. 45 minutes Powell speech. Really? Powell is actually coming up and talking today? Guys, can you confirm if Powell's gonna actually come out and talk today? Is that true?
Order filled.
Order filled.
I don't. Oh my god, really? God, I hate that guy. Jeez, I hate him so much. Everybody. Another policy related. Oh. What is he gonna talk about other than the policy? What else is he gonna talk about other than policy? Bro, he's stepping down. Oh, he's stepping down. Okay, well, I'm not really sure if anybody really cares. I used to like Powell, to be honest. I mean, it's not that I don't like him anymore, but I used to like him even more before. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna move the market. I don't think it's gonna move the market. He's gonna crash the market and quit. Mr. Grad. It's some panel about some economic policy maker. It's the comments about Howard Schultz, not US. Okay, I see. Yeah, that I don't think that's gonna move the market though, right? I don't think that's gonna move the market, guys. Justin Wright, what is going on, man? You're kind of late to the party. What is up? How's your daily payouts going, Justin Wright? Is everything okay? Market finds any reason to move right? Yeah. It shouldn't be a big deal. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. Yeah. Yeah. Nobody really cares. All right, guys, I requested my payout, guys. I requested my payout, everybody. $542. Oh man, that's gonna get approved tonight, and it's gonna be in my wallet. Oh baby, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. $500, man. Can you guys imagine? Even if it's $300 every day on a daily payouts, $300 times, you know, 300 times 25 days. Do the math. Oh my god, I really suck at math, guys. So 25 times $50, or give or take, that's like $6,000, man. Honestly, you don't need to have too many accounts. Just maybe one account, and you get $6,000 with $250 every day. And I've taken $500, right? So. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here down. Let's see. I think we could get a rejection here, guys. We could get a nice little pullback here, right? We get a little bit of a bear flag. I kind of like it to the downside, to be honest. Let's
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, Mochaccino. I may be in trouble now, guys. This market would not move at all, so...
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
246, 246.8,
Order submitted.
and 10.
Order submitted.
All right, fellow traders, I am
Order.
Order filled.
I am shorting this market right now as a speak.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Yeah,
Order filled.
I can't trade my pro account because they haven't approved my payout. So I just requested a payout right now. So going to try funding next for some daily payouts. I think funding next is equally as good as Take Profit Trader, I think, in my opinion. Yeah. Most recommended firm. It's tough to say what is, like, it's hard for me to tell you what my suggestion is, because every firm, they're all very different, right? They all have different rules, and you know, it's kind of hard. But I at least I can tell you what my favorite firms are. If you ask me my top 3 right now, I would say Take Profit Trader and Apex is definitely my top 2. Take Profit Trader and Apex is my top 2. And everybody else, I kind of feel like they're all similar. You know, like you know, even Trade Day, I think it's fine. I'm actually gonna load in some Trade Day accounts, by the way. Like, you know what I mean? Like, look for those daily payouts. But the problem is, I mean, as soon as you get to like $5,000 payout, they're gonna try to move you live, and I can't trade those accounts because I can't go live. God, my God, I have a big problem with this live thing. Oh my God, Ver4Y, they banned you? Really? Why would they ban you? Because you're too handsome? Is that what it is? Oh my mochino,
Order
man. Look at
Order
this pullback
filled.
here,
Order-
guys.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. This is exactly what we are kind of looking for.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, I'm going to be looking for a final profit right in that initial low. Yeah, everybody's going to have different opinions, right? So I cannot trade live. I can't win. I can't trade live because the part of the part of the region I live in, right? It's pretty much across the board. I think 85% of the Canadians are gonna have trouble trying to go live because we have a different regulation, and so I think that's part of the problem. I think it's the regulations. So unless you're living in Ontario, every other province of Canada, you try to go live and you're gonna have problems, right? So
Order.
Order filled.
it's the regulation thing. I'm not exactly sure what the problem is. Like, I had one firm just tell me, well, you got denied. The reason is, I don't know. Nobody knows what the reason is. Ontario is the only place that's allowed. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Yeah, Ontario is the only region. Wow. I'm in Alberta. The biggest and the largest farmland. The biggest mountain, the Rocky Mountains. And yeah, we can't go live. Isn't that a joke, guys? Yeah, we live in a different country. Oh, that's right. Ontario is part of Canada, and Alberta is part of something. Maybe it's not part of Canada or what? I'm getting a little confused now. Right? You can't go live, but somebody else can go live. Okay. Yeah, that's very, very disturbing. Anyways, guys, it doesn't matter. I'm getting paid. I'm gonna have to just be smart about. I just gotta be smart. That's it. Right? I mean, I can kind of manage to play, what do you call this? Like, in order to go live, you know what I mean? If they go based off accounts, right? So let's say account 1, if you got, say, 6 payouts, then they're gonna kind of force you to go live, and if you can't go live, they have an option to kind of ban you, right? Or if this is the case, it's very easy, right? But the problem is when they go overall payouts, this is where things get pretty bad. And I think funding ticks is doing that overall, right? From an overall perspective, if you've taken, and trade day as well, trade day and funding ticks is doing this overall payouts total. So what is your total payout on with that firm, right? And that's what that's where things become a little more tricky and challenging. Anyways, guys, thank you everybody for being here, and thank you for smashing the like, everybody, as well. And if you have not done so, please take a few seconds of your time to smash those like and support the stream. If you guys love what you guys see, And do not forget to type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our giveaway here. That's Tradify 50K account giveaway happening here now. Guys, I'm gonna do it right now. Do not type in anymore. I've given you all day. I've given you all day. Oh my mochaccino, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop, everybody, stop. Alright guys, by the way, Tokyo's already open, right? Tokyo's already open. Tokyo's already open, and we are now waiting for China. We are waiting for China to open now. And then by the way guys, I forgot something here. Oh, and I said I'm gonna do a cash giveaway, right? I promised I'm gonna do a cash giveaway, so we got 2 giveaways happening here today. So let's do the first one. I always get a little nervous every time I try to call out the winner. I don't know why. You know, I kind of feel nervous. I don't know why. All right, guys. We're gonna find out who the winner is right now. Love you guys. Thank you guys for being here today. What is ASC? What is ASC mean? Can you let me know? J Stores, what is going on, man? Kelly Kaufman, bro, you careful with the cash giveaway on YouTube, I heard. Oh, really? All right, I'm gonna have to stop doing that. Yeah. All right, we're gonna avoid that for now. We're gonna avoid that. Holy mochaccino. Oh, really? He was warned? Really? All right, yeah. That's right. Yeah, so I wouldn't want to get I wouldn't want to do that. Yeah, for sure. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Can you set it up your Discord like Kellyanne does? Like, what is it? Is there something yeah, I've got to take a look at Kellyanne's Discord. I haven't checked her Discord. Is this something special? I'm not sure anyone can trade this. I'm not sure how you can trade this. Yeah, I'm turning 18 next month. Hearing the tuba in the background, that's right, Dan Ammons. We got some tuba going on right now. Alberta Securities Commission. Oh yeah, maybe that's right. Yeah, MVP. So maybe they're trying to force traders trade live on their personal live accounts. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, I've got to figure out a better way to do our giveaways. Yeah, for sure. I know we had few fellow traders on our Discord giving me some suggestions, but anyways, guys, we are getting a bounce in this market right now, by the way. Oh my god. All right, sounds like a trombone. Yeah, it is. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry, man. It is a trombone right now. Fed Powell speaks at 8? I thought it speaks at 7 o'clock. Did it change the schedule now again? Come to the best city in the USA, Los Angeles. You live in Freddie, you live in Los Angeles? Los Angeles is really too expensive though. Like, give me a reason to move to Los Angeles. It's really expensive. Everything is so expensive about Los Angeles. I mean, it's a beautiful city, don't get me wrong. Probably one of the better places to live, but too expensive. Central time, yeah, that's right. I think it's past 7 o'clock. Oh, I see. Yeah, worst state in United States. Yeah, I think it's way too expensive, man. Oh, B Adam, you live in Colorado? B Adam, you live in Colorado, really? Bro, seriously? Gotta keep the... Oh no, you don't. Oh, sorry. All right, guys, 1 second, guys. We are getting a bounce in this market. LA is not a state. Oh, you used to live in... Okay, I see. We got tons of mug. Oh, okay. Yeah, tiny but mighty. Yeah, let's not get into politics, guys. Yeah, I like Arizona too. Every time I go to Arizona, I like, yeah, I like Phoenix too. I love Orlando. Yeah, every time I go to Orlando, man, it's such a beautiful place to live. But I kind of feel like, you know, the place is really expensive though. All right, guys, let's try to get some trades going. Oh, by the way, we gotta do our giveaway, right? We gotta do our giveaway. Nothing around the rookies. The West is cheap. Midwest. Come to Australia. Australia, it's Australia's also very expensive, man. Australia is probably a lot more expensive than States, by the way. Florida is where it's at. I kind of agree. Yeah, Florida. Yeah, it's a beautiful state. Yeah. Orlando. You lived there for 2 years. I would want to be close to the water. Orlando is good, man. I love Orlando. What are you talking about? All right, guys. I wonder if we are gonna actually try to get a bounce back into the initial high at 423. I'm gonna just stick to like 3 micros here for now. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do our giveaway for now. Let's do our giveaway. Let's start 35 account giveaway right now, guys. 50K. I'm gonna close the entries. Guys. No more typing in anymore. Oh, really? Corey the Sculptor? Northerners. Well, come on, guys. Close the entries. Damn it. Oh my god, man. Every house down here is now a minimum of 400,000. Yeah, I think so. Corey the Sculptor, man. It's really expensive. Nothing's getting cheaper, right? Nothing's getting cheaper. right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner right now. I'm gonna close the entries. Good luck, everybody. All right. Let's see who the winner is, guys. Mr. Astro Trader. Astro Trader. Mr. Astro Trader. I'm gonna give you how many minutes? I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to confirm that you are here today. Where's my timer? All right, guys, 3 minutes timer starts right now. Astro, what again? Astro Trader? Mr. Astro Trader. Oh my God, I can't pronounce the name. Astro Trader is not here. You've got a little less than 3 minutes to confirm that you are here.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Hurry up and redraw. Yeah. Mr. Astro Trader. Yeah, I don't know what this market's trying to do, to be honest, man. It's definitely not easy to trade for sure. Oh my God, Mr. Astro Trader is here. He confirmed that he's here, guys. Congrats, Mr. Astro Trader. You are the winner of our beautiful giveaway here. And that's the 3550 account. Congrats once again. What a champion. Unfortunately, the redraw is off the table. Unfortunately. All right, so now is this market going to get a pullback here now? And that's $1 million question. We're kind of chopping this range, right? We are kind of chopping this range, so congrats once again to the winner here. And now we're back into the trading mode. Mr. B. Adam, you're gonna win someday. Yeah, I think, you know what? You will, 100%. Astro Trader, once again, congrats, man. Congrats. Oh, Astro Trader, you are freaking smart, man. Thank you for doing that. But you're a little bit too early, man. The last minute, you still had 2.5 minutes. You should have kind of waited a little more than 2 minutes. Could go over Y Apex because they are trading drawdown. What do you mean TKM? Because they have trading drawdown. Could you go over Y Apex? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what your question is, to be honest. You don't trust the YouTube delay. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I know, man. That's right. But by the way, how did everybody do this morning? Did everybody do well? I mean, it could have been a better day for me, but I mean... Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm gonna be live tomorrow morning. FYI, I will be live tomorrow morning at about 10 o'clock in the morning. I'll take a look, Alpha Ticker. I'll take a look. I'm just gonna. So you're back into the 410 now. I think this market is not looking as good. We may try to break it down. We'll see, guys. Obviously, we're kind of chopping in this range too. It's a 10 points range, by the way. Holy, not a great price action for sure. I've got 6 contracts, but I mean, yeah, not a price action.
Order canceled.
Top to trade, absolutely. Top step XFA, that is $600 on your 3 new funding ticks, 50k accounts. What accounts did you go with, Corey the Scalper? Did you go with the $3,000 payout cap, or did you go with the $1,000 payout cap? The Fed chair speaks in about 50 minutes. This market is choppy suey. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Oh, you went with 3,000? Okay, I see. Yeah. All right, not really truly there in this market. We had a little bit of a volatility, obviously, right at the start. But right now, it's kind of like dead, right? It's kind of dead. I guess we have China probably open in about 15 minutes. So maybe I don't know if that's going to really move anything. But did you get a payout from funding ticks already? They have the micro scalping rule in place. I've taken over $10,000 of payout with funding ticks. And I took one more this morning. Yeah, and I've got, we still have, I got one approved this morning as well, so. And by the way, guys, I will be live tomorrow morning. Like I said again, at 10 a.m. in the morning, Eastern time. Let's try to trade all my accounts across the board live, and let's try to bank some profits, right, to get to more payouts, guys. We gotta have a good start to the month, and I think probably tomorrow is the day to do it. The operator hit the slow button on the algos, man. Yeah, it is definitely freaking slow right now. Hey yo, what's up, yo? It is live, yeah, 100%, brother. Antonio, it's live right now. It's live. What is that accent? It's Korean accent. Lemon. I hope you're okay with it. Kelly Kaufman. No, we all dead, yeah. Yeah, I think we break it down here, guys. I don't know. So far, it kind of looks like he wants to break it down, but Mark is waiting for Powell. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, we've got Powell speaking in about a little less than 10 minutes, I think. Is that what it is? Dr. Powell coming up in about 5-10 minutes. I think he's gonna move. I think that's what this market is kind of waiting for. Yeah, I better put a hard stop just in case, guys. I don't want to get smoked by the market.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna place a hard stop here just in case. I'm using micros right now. I'm using micro trades. Tonight's speech by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell is a panel discussion. Potential clues includes future interest rate decisions, as his remark could offer hints despite the panel's focus being on. Right. Yes. I kind of feel like he is going to talk about the interest rate, because you know what? Everybody's attention is on that interest rate, right? So I think you're gonna have questions come out, and he's gonna have to find a way to answer that question. So what would be a better alternative to funding Tick's $55 account? Any other firms have a quicker payouts path? And that's a good question, Corey the Scalper. I don't know. I think trade day, you're paying $75 on trade day. That's probably the closest it gets, I think. Or let's say Lucid Trader with the flex, it's gonna get you what again? It's 70, little less than $80, right? It's gonna be hard, man. You're not gonna get anything pretty close to $50-$60. Well, you do. You got Funded Futures Network, and that's $75. So 1 + 1, you get one extra eval for free, and that's $75 for 2 accounts, pretty much. No, I haven't traded the Perdia. No, I haven't traded. I've got a lot. Well, I guess I've got to get. I've got to start trading more firms, but I mean, I already have. Like you guys know, I trade over 10 firms right now. It's actually quite a lot, right? It's quite a lot. Trading with 10 firms. Technically, I should be with like 50 accounts, but I think there's still a lot of firms right now. So to add anything beyond what I have right now, it's gonna be tough. At least right now. I may add if I'm gonna be copy trading my accounts. I may have a chance of loading in more accounts with different firms. But then again, I'm gonna have to spend a lot of money to load in accounts too, right? And there's no guarantee I'm gonna get into a payout with those firms. Dude, that's another problem. A little more money, but probably the fastest path to pay out. Kelly Kaufman, which firm are you talking about? Lucid Flex? Yeah, Lucid is obviously, you guys know, they're pretty quick in getting your payouts. So I kind of like them, but it's just that I've got to get better at trading Lucid now. Guys, if you're new here, please not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Guys, thank you so much for taking a few minutes, few seconds of your time to do that. I really appreciate it, guys. It truly means a lot. Truly means the world. Thank you, guys, once again. No, that's not my neighbor. Yeah, that's my little boy playing upstairs. Is my computer stuck, or is this market just kind of not moving at all right now? This market's wow, man. We've been sitting in this range for like 25 years now, in this 4 points range. I think it's about time to kind of move this market. Bro, do you know how to set up a comp trading on Lucid? I don't know what you're talking about, James SG. It's not about Lucid. It's not about Lucid. It's the platform that you are using that you can use to comp trade your accounts with Lucid accounts, right? Are you talking about the Tradovate? Copy trader in Tradovate? If it is, just let me know so I can give you a little snap on how to copy trade on your Tradovate. You turned 90 years old for waiting this choppy market. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I have a family, of course. Yeah. I'm getting old. I'm only 18. I'm only 18, but I'm getting old. That's weird, but you mean Quant Tower? Oh, yeah. I can't, like, I bought accounts with Fidias, right? I bought the 25k static accounts I paid $8 on the Fidias accounts, and I'm using obviously Quant Tower, but I cannot freaking load in my Quant Tower platform on my computer right now because it's gonna freeze my computer. God, I've got to go load in some more RAM on my computer. Only got 16 GB RAM, so I've got to upgrade it to 32, so I can also trade Quant Tower. As soon as I load in my Quant Tower right now, my computer is gonna freeze, and that's a big problem. So oh my god, guys, man, my payout just got approved, guys. My payout that I requested a few minutes ago, literally about an hour ago, guys. My Take Profit Trader, the $550 that I requested about an hour ago, it's approved now. Oh my god, it's approved now, guys. Approved. The money is in my wallet. Oh my god. Thank you, everybody. It is here. It is here. And that's great. That's great. I love it. Okay, come on, guys. When is Fed Chair gonna come out and talk? Yeah, the drawdown is only $500, and I keep forgetting to trade micros. I keep trading those 25k static accounts. It's only $500 drawdown. I'm trading mini contracts on those accounts. I keep forgetting to trade the micros. It's tough. Yeah, but I mean, I've only paid $8, right? I bought 10 accounts with them, so it's on my Quant Tower. But I can't trade those accounts because go 60 gigs if you can. Bro, man, 16 gig is so freaking expensive. I don't understand. Like, it's gonna cost you over $1,000 to pay for 64 gigs. Is that even accurate? Piss me off. I probably might as well just get a new computer, I guess, right, at this point. Astro Trader, you're gonna have to talk to me on our Discord. DM me, send a friend request, and I'll take care of your account. How much did you make to withdraw 550? So I made 550 in total profit, and I took $440. That hit my wallet, right? So they took 20% share. That's their share, and I've taken 80% from that 550. So 550 is total profit that I made, and I've taken 80% of that, and they hit my wallet. You have total 5 funded accounts with funding ticks. Nice, Mehdi Nix, man. Great job, bro. And that's a lot of accounts. Congrats, bro. I hope you take a lot of payouts with funding ticks, man. I hope you do, really. Memory is cheap in the US. It's just a memory change if your mobile can handle it. Motherboard. How much is your ROI usually? Approximately how much do you spend a month on evals and activations? $2,096. Give or take, I spend about $3,000 to $6,000 in a given month. So it really depends. $3,000 to $6,000 with my payouts being about 20 to 40k. It's a wide range because I don't know, right? So you take about $20,000 to $40,000 a month, and you spend about $3,000 to $6,000 on your accounts, and that's what it is, at least for me. Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, I wouldn't want to trade on my PROPFIRM accounts to be 1 to 2 or something like that. No, it's got to be minimum. Yeah, it's got to be minimum 1 to 4 minimum, but I think usually, yeah, it's between 1 to 5 to 1 to 6. Yeah, that kind of makes sense, Bowser. All right, we are getting a little break here on the trend line. So let's see, guys, if we get a little flush down. Do you stock up on evals and pass them to keep them in reserve? Julian, I do that only with Take Profit Trader. I don't really do that with anybody else, to be honest. But I don't necessarily. I started doing that with Take Profit Trader lately, but I don't like to keep backups as a reserve, to be honest, right? Because then it doesn't work out. It doesn't result in a good performance with your funded accounts, because you keep thinking that if you end up losing your funded accounts, you have reserve, you know what I mean? But if you don't have reserve, then you put a lot of your attention and focus into your existing funded accounts, and you end up losing less. But if you have reserve, then you're like, okay, well, I'm gonna try and YOLO one of my funded account, because as soon as I YOLO my funded account, if I blow, I still have my reserve backups sitting right next, right, to get funded again. You know what I mean? So it's I prefer to not have reserve going forward, and that's what I plan to do. Oh my god, man, this market is what is this market trying to do? Getting a bounce or what now, guys? Getting really annoying. All right, Astro Trader, I'll take a look. I don't know. Powell is supposed to be on the stage, but it's not there yet. I don't think he's there yet. Actually, he is. Yeah, actually, he is. I'm seeing him live right now, guys. I think he's live. He's just about to start. He's in his chair. He's having a little coffee. I think yeah, I think that conference is started now. Gonna bounce. See you guys tomorrow. Tullian, man, take care, brother. We'll see you tomorrow for sure. All right, guys, are we gonna get a bounce or what now? It's prepared remarks, none of it's about interest rate. But I mean, there's gonna be questions, right? Or is it not? Tradevate. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Where's my listed accounts? All right, so yeah, just take a look. It's just go to your accounts, right? And then you have manage groups. You're gonna have to click on the manage groups, and you're gonna have to move these accounts, whichever accounts that you want to copy trade, and you gotta have to save, right? Once you save, click on the tiger, for example, if this is what you've named. If you click on that, then you're gonna see the check mark on that tiger, and it's gonna show you that plus sign as well, right? And then click on that the account that you want to copy trade, the main account that you want to copy trade with, right? And that's what you have to do. I don't copy trade, but I I don't usually copy trade my accounts. Well, not usually. 99% of the time I don't. Alright guys, market's trying to get a balance. Is that a flex accounts? I've got a, well, I kind of got mixed up. I bought the regular accounts, and then I realized it's not a flex accounts, and I bought flex accounts again. So I've got like 5 or 6 accounts now with listed, and that's a mix of both flex and the regular ones. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you, guys. Have you ever tried the top 1 futures? I have not, and I'm not really sure. I'm not really. Oh, well, I guess, guys, once again, I think this market's kind of getting very excited here with Powell coming on board. I think this market's getting a little excited, guys. Let's take a look at the gold here for a second. But the gold is dumping. Oh my god. The gold is dumping, and the NQ is trying to get a bounce, guys.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I went long here on Take Profit Trader eval account. I'm up.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Yeah, man, look, Powell, man, he's gonna freaking move this market, guys. Guys, 1 second, I'm gonna have to go long on this.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
All right, guys,
filled.
exit that. That's a nice little $800. $800, guys. I'm gonna trade my pro now, guys. Watch. Let's try to see if I can actually get something out of this now, guys. I hope this isn't gonna dump against me, right?
Order
filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna place my hard stop here, guys.
Order
though
submitted.
I'm gonna have to
Order
place my hard
submitted.
stop.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted.
I hope this isn't gonna dump against me now. Uh oh, guys, I may be in trouble on this. I've got 6 contracts, man. Oh my god, guys, the gold is getting a bounce, and the NQ now is starting to get a pullback here.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, something's moving. I think the Asian market actually start to wake up now with Powell here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I will exit this trade. I just don't like the way it's kind of moving. I'm down about $220 on my funded account. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm down, but I probably better off just exit that trade there, right? I don't want to get cooked on that trade. I think Powell's definitely moving this market right now, guys. I think he went beyond coughing. Oh my god, look at that gold, guys. Are you serious? Is this gold dumping? Is that real, guys? Is this real? What the guys? What is up with this, man?
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Man, I shouldn't be messing with this price action, guys, man. I don't know what the heck am I doing right now, to be honest. I really shouldn't be trading this, but I don't know. I just kind of feel like this market's gonna rip.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order sub. Order.
Order filled.
Order sub. Order.
Order filled.
Order sub.
I guess I'll exit
Order
that trade
filled.
right there. I pretty much break even. I don't think I should be touching this, guys, man. There's something going on right now. Oh my mochaccino. This mochaccino pullback is real. In the gold, man, you see that gold? Oh my god, you gotta be kidding, guys. That's a sick little pullback on that gold, man. I should have literally went all in. What a nasty pullback here, guys. Holy. Guys, man, I should have traded that gold. That was gold. That gold was gold. Oh, I like that. But I don't know, man. I don't know about this market, the overall market though, right? From an overall market perspective, I'm down about $200, but I'm not interested in trying to play this. I just don't feel very comfortable trying to go long this, man. Oh my god, man. I kind of feel like the FOMO could be real here, guys. Gotta be really careful. Yeah, I don't want to be oh my god. What was that gold dumping? That's a pretty nasty dump there, right? 36. Guys, I have no idea. What am I supposed to do now? But I kind of feel like I don't want to get missed out. That's why I kind of got into the FOMO mode, but that's incredible though. I have no idea, man, what caused that pump. I have no idea, man. It almost kind of feel like it's the Powell is definitely making that move for sure. But that's an incredible dumpage, and I wonder what this market's gonna do though. The NQ, like we've seen this big move in this gold. I wonder how it's gonna kind of push this market though. I don't know. He said something. I'm not sure what he said. I'm not listening to what Powell is saying because I'm. Japan independent imports. There's really nothing there in the Trump administration to take equity stake in former Intel CEO chip startup X-Lights. So they're gonna be injecting $150 million in startup. That's not like it's. I don't know, man. If that's, I don't know if that's supposed to move the market though, right? There's gotta be something else that's moving. Powell says does not comment on economy and monetary policy in remarks prepared for delivery at Stanford University. So there's really nothing there. Yeah, Powell didn't say anything, but if it's happy, if it's giving this lot of the smile, right? You know what that means. He's okay with interest dropping the interest rate. If it looks grumpy, then I think we have a little problem. Did Paul say? Yeah, I mean, I agree. I don't think he said anything, to be honest. Oh, maybe it's not about his resignation. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe everybody's kind of expecting him to leave today. Incredible. Yeah, man, I definitely should have taken some piece of that for sure. So the NQ kind of stalled here, and the gold getting a bounce. You know what? I don't know if you guys noticed, but the gold actually halted for about a few seconds. I don't know if you guys noticed that, or is it just me? I'm not sure. I don't want to mess with this market right now, man. The gold is actually trying to move. I kind of like the gold. Look at this gold, guys. It halted. Yeah, the gold actually halted for a few seconds. Oh my god, dude. Dude, 45. Gold took you out, really? Nobody take dude 45 out, man. Nobody. Guys, okay, so we are trying to hold this in this overall market. God, man, I want a long NQ right now, man. I really do, but I'm very, very nervous. I'm down $200. I'm gonna have to find a way to curl back up again, of course, on this account. I've got $1,800 of drawdown, so I've got enough drawdown to kind of manage this trade. But I still want to get into some good trade with this NQ, but maybe I should have gotten into that trade using my pro account instead of trying to trade the eval. But I mean, I'll gladly take that trade on that eval account, because that's still over $700 of profit I made in a single go. But I'm still down about $200 on my pro account. That really matters more, I guess. Big horror candle, man. What was that though? Oh, let me take a look at the Discord here. Look at Discord. Paul said, "Good evening." Yeah, I know. Oh my god, 20 micro contracts, man. Look at this. Just Breathe is taking on this, taking a stab at this trade. Look at that bad boy. 20 contracts. Oh my god. Bowser, $500 in 15 seconds. More money. It's ticking. That's pretty good. Funding ticks. Lots of profit on that trade. Good stuff. More money, man. Good stuff. Michael the Hustler. Oh, Michael the Hustler is trading this? Oh, what is Michael doing? Is it long or short? It looks like he's trying to short this market. Still long at dynamics. Wow, incredible. On NQ, long NQ. Oh, let's see. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here in the NQ.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys, man, I took a stab, unfortunately.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
On the NQ. If oh my god, does it have to get a bounce
Order
right now?
submitted.
You little
Order
the
submitted.
little poo poo.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Right,
submitted.
because I went short on NQ,
Order
guys.
submitted.
It is what it is now. I've taken a stab. If this doesn't play out, then I'm in trouble, of course. But it is what it is, man.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if this kind of work out.
Order
If not,
submitted.
then too bad.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Is Trump speaking too? Really, guys? Is that real? Man, then I shouldn't be trading this right now. Shit. Yeah, I'm down a lot right now. Well, I mean, not a lot, but I mean, down still. God, man. Like, you had to get a bounce off that EMA? Alright, guys. We got a bounce off that EMA 430. I don't know, this could be a bounce now. It's creating a higher low, and that's a problem. So I really have to see this thing crack underneath the 430. Ooh, I don't think this market is gonna do that though. I'm down $400 on my pro account. I think this could be it. I think this could be it. I could be in trouble now. Oh my god, mochaccino. I think I got into a lot of FOMO trades. I got a little bit too excited during the Globex Asia and kind of wrecked myself. We'll see, guys, man. Yeah, I got a little too excited. This FOMO was absolutely real, especially after seeing that gold move like that, 1.5% up and down. Yeah, I definitely got into FOMO, unfortunately. All right, guys, now I'm gonna have to wait and see how this kind of NQ play out. This NQ is gonna be real now, 440 area. If you pierce through that, then I think we see a continuation move to the upside. But if not, then I think we could get a nice little pullback here into the low 400s, right? We got a VWAP at the 410. Oh my god. A little frustrating, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm still I'm gonna be looking for that little pullback here, guys. We'll see if you get it. A big one, a big deal actually. I'm not trading my eval, I'm trading my pro account. Lots of stress, losing lots of hair now. Losing lots of hair. Maybe I should exit my trade here right now. Maybe. I've got 14 contracts and I'm down already so much. Holy mochaccino, guys, what is up with this?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Don't get a bounce, please. Somebody help me. Somebody help me, everybody. Somebody help me, please. Yeah, I'm down. I wonder if I have to exit my trade though, right? I'm kind of like feeling I mean, what makes me feel a little bit better right now is that the gold is trying to get a bounce, right? That makes me feel a little bit like, you know, you got a nice little bullish wick there, right, in the gold. Makes me kind of feel like maybe there's a little more bounce in the gold. And that kind of makes me feel we have a little more pullback here in the NQ, but I put a hard stop. I may move my hard stop though. I put it on there just in case we get this a big massive rally, just in case, you know what I mean? Because Powell may just come out and just start talking about something, and then obviously this market pumps 100 points, and I don't want to get stuck on that trade, right? So, and that's why I put a hard stop here, but I'm gonna adjust it accordingly as this market moves. I put it on there just in case we rip, you know, 100 points, just in case Paul comes up and starts farting. All right, guys. The gold trying to get a bounce, kind of struggling to get a bounce off that level. So, and NQ kind of holding the EMA, right? So, NQ is holding nicely on that EMA. So we really have to crack underneath the 430 to kind of feel a lot more bearish. But for now, it's holding. So, right, it's kind of holding. So we had to crack underneath that 430 to feel a lot more bearish. But for now, it's holding. So we'll see, guys. I may exit this trade at 450. If you pierce through that 445 and it gets to 450, and you have this nice little bullish candle kind of forming, and we get a nice little momentum here, bullish momentum, I will have to end up exiting my trade, because I don't want to be down as much as I really have to. Even though I kind of have like $1,600 of drawdown, this could easily be net negative. We'll see, guys. We are getting a nice little bounce in the gold. I don't know how that's gonna make this NQ move. I don't know, man. This NQ looks like it's trying to break out of this area. I've got 14 contracts here in NQ. I've got 14 contracts, and I'm gonna be I'm kind of looking for that pushback down into the 420s. But I may be playing the wrong side. We're sitting at 440 and we're trying to get a bounce. I think we're trying to get a bounce in the NQ, guys. Gold is definitely looking a little more bullish, but let's see, guys. 444, it's a very important area. Let's see if we pierce through that now. Alright, guys, I may have to exit this trade now, unfortunately. Ugh, the more it tries to squeeze here, and maybe I'm gonna have to just walk away and just come back tomorrow, I guess, right? Down about $500 on this trade now. Not looking good at all. We keep getting a bounce, higher low, higher low. Let's see. A big one, a big fat one here. 444 area, guys, man. The problem is it's not just purely based off technicals, right? We're getting a lot of fundamental story now with Powell. You know, he sniffs, the market moves. He farts, the market moves. You know what I mean? Without even saying anything about interest rate. So that's where this trade becomes very challenging and difficult. And here on top of that, we have Trump talking too. I have no idea if he's talking, but I think that's what everybody's saying now. If it's saying, well, if you got Trump coming out right now, then we have a little bit of a problem, I guess. Oh, something about the Mexican border. Oh my mochino, this is unreal. We got two biggest movers in the market. Those are the two biggest market movers. All right, guys, I'm hanging on there. I'm hanging on there, but it's tough, guys. It's tough. That's all I can say right now. I don't know. I'm still holding, guys. I'm still holding, but it's tough to. It's tough, yeah. The gold is holding. Gold is holding. I mean, it's tough to long gold too here, because you could really see this gold pullback too, right? Even though I kind of feel like we're getting a bounce in the gold, but yeah. All right, guys. The moment of truth. Yeah, man. Can we not just get a little bit of a pullback here in the gold? Sorry, in NQ. God, man, how hard can this be to get?
Order filled.
Order
Oh,
filled.
guys, man, we are seeing this market move.
Or-
Holy
Order
mochaccino!
filled.
Are you
Order filled.
serious? You've got to be joking, Joker. You got to be joking, Joker, guys.
Order
Order filled.
Oh my cappuccino.
order cancelled.
Oh yeah, baby, let's go. Oh my god. I should have taken my profits there, guys. I should have taken my profits, man. I am so pissed. Guys, this is a fun night. Holy mochaccino.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god, guys, that pullback is unreal.
Order filled.
You've got to be kidding, guys. I am back up again. Mr. StockTiger is back up again. Woo! Oh shit. Maybe I got a little too excited too fast, I guess. Now it's getting a nice, beautiful bounce. That's what happens. That's what happens when you get too excited, right? Don't worry, guys. I'm just trying to have some fun here with my fellow traders. I hope all of you are safe here. Are you guys? How are you guys making out? Are you guys trading? Or are you guys just watching StockTiger get wrecked here tonight?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh my god, I was green. So yeah, to give you guys a little perspective, I was down $500. I was down $500. I'm now back to pretty much break even now. Actually, I'm gonna exit this trade. My
Order
god.
filled.
What the heck is going on with this market, guys? I canceled my position. I don't have any position right now, guys. I don't. So I'm trying to take a look at the gold. Gold trying to get a little pullback here. NKD pulling back here as well. And what is ES doing here? ES is obviously trying to hold. ES. I think this market kind of pulls back here. I kind of like it to the downside.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna look to short this, guys. I think we have a little bit of a bear flag here kind of forming, to be honest. So I'm gonna try and short this on a pop here. If you get a little pop here, I'm gonna try and short this, guys. Why are forex prop firms evals much more expensive? I'm not sure. Maybe because I'm not sure. I wish I knew.
Order filled.
Order
Alright, guys, I've
filled.
got 3 contracts now. I'm gonna place a
Order
hard stop
submitted.
here.
Order submitted.
Yeah,
Order
this is my hard
submitted.
stop here, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright, guys, I went short here, guys. I went short. And I'm gonna be trying to quickly scalp this back into the 400, guys. If you get a pullback, that is, right? So far, I kind of feel like this could be a little bit of a bear flag here, kind of forming. So it's underneath all the EMAs as well. So maybe get a push back down into the 400, guys. That's my target. Let's see if you get it, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading this. My hard stop here, you're gonna be 434 area. That's my hard breach, right? So if it pierces through that, I'm gonna have to exit my trade. Yeah, I'm not willing to risk any more than, like, you know, $70 to $100 at most. So hey, Mike Hansen, man, thanks for being here tonight. Definitely a lot of fun. Mike Hansen, will see you tomorrow, right? I think so. All right, guys. I'm still in a position now. I'm on a short position. No, this is my hair. And this is my my hair, of course. Right? You guys know that, right? Maybe. All right, I'm looking for that little flush down. I'm just not getting any of that right now, guys. Getting very absolutely annoying. Yeah, I'm still short, but I'm obviously playing a very tight stop on this. So I'm not willing to risk any more than I really have to. So I'm risking, I would say, about $100 on this trade. I got a tight stop here. This is obviously going to be my hard stop at 434. If you get a bounce, then that's it. That's it. We got a bounce and I'm out. But yeah, I can't afford to. Yeah, I can't afford to. All right, guys, I may add here. I may add here, guys, man. God, I'm so tempted to add my short position here, but I just can't. Yeah, let's just not do it, guys. 3 contracts. That's all I can do. Yeah. Yeah, I can't be any more than 3 contracts, man. I was tempted to go a little more aggressively on a short side, but not during the Globex ASIA. Just can't do that. If it's New York, I would have done that. Yeah, I would have absolutely done that. Yeah, but not here. Yeah, I don't have that Mahad Nix. I don't have that tonight. I don't have. Maybe I do. I don't know. You guys like that? A Regio. All right. Yeah, I can't live without this hair, of course, guys. It's part of me. It can't change, right? All right, guys, man, I'm looking for that little pullback here. I just thought, no, this market's ready to do that. To be honest, man, I'm gonna have to exit this trade, guys. I'm just, oh my
Order
god.
filled.
Order filled.
Take the $3 profit. I'm down 83, guys. I was down $500, man. Guys, you saw that, right? I felt so bad. I was like, oh my god, what in the world are you doing, StockTiger? The biggest FOMO trade ever. But that was definitely very exciting, guys, man. I absolutely got stoked. I was like, what? Right? But the thing is though, when you get this kind of a push in this market during Globex Asia, you tend to have some bigger boosts. But then we never really got any of that, and we kept chopping. Guys, I kind of like this to the downside, man, to be honest. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try and show this again.
Submitted.
Oh my god, StockTiger. You are never giving up. You are never giving up. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm looking for a better entry now. Of course, this level is a key level of support, and we got a trend line here as well at 420. I'm still looking for a pullback though. I don't know why. I don't know why. All right, guys, I'm trying to short this bad boy, but I may be cooked. So I just want to make sure I am only risking so much. So at most, I'll be 3 contracts, guys. I've got 3 contracts now. Oh my god. I've got 3 contracts now, guys. Well, and I've got my hard stop here at 438 again on an average, so give or take. Oh, up $13, guys. Maybe it's that time of the day to take my profits off the table now. Oh my god, guys, are we gonna get a pullback here? Are we actually gonna get a pullback here? Where's the exit? I have no idea. There's no exit. When you get that extended move, I'm looking for the extended move right now. So maybe something like this. So we got a nice little pullback down to here. So we get a bounce, and I'm gonna be looking for something like this, right? I'm looking for something like this, to be honest. But I don't think this is what it's gonna do. But the probability tells me that we are looking for something like this, right? And a pullback down into the 390, right? And that could be the swing low here. Well, not exactly swing low, but pretty close, right? So if this does not play out, then I'm gonna have to have a hard stop here at 438, and that's good enough to kind of, you know, the risk reward is definitely there, right? It's probably 1 to 3 now. So let's see, guys, if this plays out. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it will, maybe not. I don't know. It will. I'm keeping an eye on this, of course. The risk reward is definitely there, and that's why I took a step. But who knows? I'll take one off the table on a pullback here into the 415. Yeah.
Order submitted.
Now one more down
Order
into the
submitted.
400, and then one last piece
Order
down into the
submitted.
390. But if we get a bounce, then I can stop that at 438. I know this chart kind of looked messy, but this is what I have right now, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, one got filled. I got one filled, guys. One limit order got filled. Let's see if we crack underneath this now, then this thing could actually move pretty quickly, right? Down. But if we end up holding this and we pierce through the 425, 430, and if that level holds, then I think this is going to be a long trade, right? We'll see, guys. We're kind of like in that area of control, right? So we either break it down or we break it up. One of the two. You're right at the trend line, the bottom end of this trend line as well. So let's see if this market truly has what it takes to get a bounce of this level now, or flush down. Either one of the two. You got your hair, lucky hair on. Sifoni, what is going on, brother? ES on the hour chart is promising for you. ES, yeah, ES looks like it wants to bring it down, right? A little more down. Not necessarily being bearish overall in this market, guys, by the way. I want to be very clear out there. I'm still very bullish, right? I still think it's very bullish, but I'm just saying a little bit of a pullback, right, is what I'm kind of looking at. All right, guys, we bounced off that 413 and we are curling back up again. Nothing truly there, and nothing really truly meaningful either, so I don't know. I'm still holding. I'm still at the break even right now. I've only got 2 contracts, by the way, so.
Order cancelled.
Yeah, I mean, are we gonna get a pullback? Weird price action tonight. I absolutely. Oh, Shimbel, Michelle, what is going on, brother? Long time no see. Oh yeah, it's a weird price action for sure. I agree. It's not just confusing, but it's weird, and yeah. Nothing truly much, Michelle. If you're good, I'm good. If you are good, I am good. What's your thoughts on the month of December, PA? I'm kind of leaning more to a bounce back in the market, right? Obviously, people like to call it Santa Claus rally, and that's I think that's what it's gonna be, unless we get a lot of surprise in the market, right? Something unexpected. If we get some kind of a news that we never thought about, then yeah, I mean, obviously the market's gonna pull back. You know, maybe Fed comes in and not bring down the interest rate, for example. I think that's gonna move the market down, of course, for sure. But so far, I'm kind of leaning more to the upside. And StockTiger, I don't know if it's the right time since you are in trade, but did you see a friend request? I have no idea. I don't think so. Is that you, Free Space? Is that you, Steve, Free Space? Let me know. I take a love your channel, especially for someone who works during the day and practice evenings. Would love to hear a playlist for this channel. Oh, Brand Frederick. Yeah, hey, no problem, brother. No problem. Oh, is that you? Okay. All right. All right, guys. I think I don't know what this market's trying to do. To be honest, man, I kind of feel like we still have some more ways to go to the downside. I'm kind of leaning more down, but I think this market is really too slow, though. Right? Maybe a little bit later. Maybe a little bit later, we may try to see this pull back down into the 400s. I'm still targeting 400 as my final take profit, but I don't know. Maybe it's a little bit too early, but eventually I think we get a nice little crack here. But maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? What is up, Trader Z7F? Pushing down 418. Oh my god, it's so slow, guys. All right, I guess it's that time of the day, guys. I'm gonna close my positions. I'm gonna close my positions, and we'll see you guys back, I guess, tomorrow morning. I will be trading live. I will be streaming in the morning at about 10 o'clock in the morning, guys. So hope to see y'all back again tomorrow morning. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun price action. So get ready, guys. Get ready. Let's kick off the market tomorrow. Another good day. Tomorrow is gonna be obviously the first day, the second day. Second day of trading December. So yeah, thank you guys once again for being here with us tonight. We'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning. God bless everybody. I hope you all had a great Globex Asia trading session. Thank you guys once again. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. in the morning Eastern time, guys. Everybody have a great rest of the night. Thank you once again, and God bless and your family, and peace.